Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand with my favorite mask yet. It's a mask that I think looks really sexy on. It's so attractive and you can talk through it. Can you hear me? I think you can. I'm going to even tighten it. It projects your voice better than any mask ever has. The sound comes out of the top and the bottoms and it doesn't interfere with what you sound like because it's not touching your lips and your voice can project like it normally would. And besides that, you can see everything I'm saying because my lips are visible. It's the best mask I've ever seen for communicating. Little known fact, I often wear glasses, and when you wear glasses with this mask, they don't fog up. You don't have a fog up on your mouth, nor do you have a fog up on your glasses. A company called Steck makes this mask, so I reached out to them. And I tested this mask all around town. I asked them to sponsor the video because I had such a great response by wearing this mask. It's so comfortable to wear. It has these really great ear loops that are soft that don't hurt the back of your ears, even with hours of wearing the mask. I think the mask is so pretty and attractive. I noticed when I walked into restaurants wearing it, a lot of people were smiling back at me because they could see my smile under the mask. I felt so much prettier with this mask than any other mask I've ever worn. People respond to you by your smile, and they could see my smile in this mask. In California, we have a big Delta spike, and we have to wear masks in every place that's public. So I always am wearing this to restaurants and grocery stores, and I recently took a trip on a plane, and that is a place where you always have to have a mask on 100%. And this mask is beautiful. I feel confident wearing it because people can see my expression and my smile, and I can talk through it. I think it'd be especially wonderful for teachers and educators and office work where you need to communicate and people you are working with need to understand your emotions while you're conveying some information. Or instructions to the little kids. It's time for lunch. It's time for recess. Wearing a mask with a smile can energize a room of very bored kids. And I really want to show you how it's completely anti-fog. Check this out. I have a steamer. It's blowing steam on the interior of the mask, and the Steck Smile Protector has a special clear window with a special anti-fog coating. It's 5 times more effective than any other competing companies, so that anti-fog function maintains even with the most powerful steam coming at it and even after frequent cleanings. To clean the mask, you can simply use a tissue to wipe it out, or a little soap and water if you feel it's really dirty. Maybe there's lipstick smudged on it. And eyeglass cleaners, that special little fabric they give you to clean your glasses, works really well on the clear window of the Steck mask. This mask really is the Smile Protector. And because it's so easy to clean, it's very reusable. You can wear this full time for a week or more. It's very high quality. It arrives to your house in really pretty packaging. Here's all the masks I got. It comes in different colors. There's a gray, ivory, blue, black, and a white. These are all the assorted colors. This is the front of the mask, and this is what the back of the mask looks like. And here I am opening up so you can see what it looks like. And they also have them in boxes of 5. So I got a box of them. Here they are inside the box, laid out for you to see. And I opened them all and I laid them out. I got a box of white masks. And of course you put this mask on like the other masks. Put it around your ears, and then it has a small piece of metal that fits right around your nose that's very comfortable. So you need to press it down so it fits well around your profile. And there you can see how it cups around your chin and gives you all that great protection. It fits so well, and then there's my smile. I'm Rebecca Brand. Click the link below and get your Smile Protector mask. It's wonderful. I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope you make a comment. What is going on where you live with masking right now? Are you required to be wearing a mask? Where? Indoors, outdoors? It seems like everywhere in the world it's a little different. Let me know what's going on in your locale. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe to mask up safely and beautiful with your smile. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, here's some more right over here. I think you might like them too.